Iran Mohajer-10 armed drone. The massive supply of Iranian-made combat drones to Russia is helping the Iranian defense industry come up with new designs. Iran has unveiled a new drone, the Mohajer-10, with enhanced capabilities and increased flight duration, according to the state news media agency. According to a report by Iran International, a London-based website operated by the opposition to the regime in Tehran, an official statement from Iranian media on Tuesday revealed that the Mohajer-10 unmanned aerial vehicle has an operational range of 2,000 kilometers and can fly for up to 24 hours. Reports quoted by the website indicate that the drone is equipped to carry missiles, bombs, and hand grenades. It is also outfitted with electronic warfare and reconnaissance systems. Iran claims that the drone's payload capacity can now accommodate up to 300 kilograms, double that of its predecessor, the Mohajer-6 drone. The Mohajer-10 was unveiled in the presence of President Ebrahim Raisi and is part of a new generation of Iranian military drones. In parallel with the supply of armed drones to the Russians who use them in Ukraine, Iran is transferring these unmanned systems to its terror proxies around the world.